Decisions. Life is full of them. What to wear, what to eat, what music to listen to, and what to watch on television. So what about when it comes to vape pens? In 2011 and 2012, the use of vape pens among young people has doubled. They come in any look you could want. They come in lots of flavors. They say you can do it anywhere. But what do we really know about this vaping? Where is it made? How is it made? And what's in it? At one time, people didn't know how bad cigarettes were for them. You might say that vaping is different because it doesn't have tobacco. Well, it might not have tobacco, but it does contain nicotine and other toxins found in cigarettes. Unfortunately, it could be years before we know exactly how it will affect us. And that's a risk I'm not willing to take. Think about it.